My name is Stephanie Obi, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use an online course to scale up your service-based business. Now, there are three major things that typically happen to a service-based business. Number one, you will always find a set of people who tell you that you're too expensive. Always. Always. No matter what, no matter how much you want to price your service for, there will always be a set of people who cannot afford it. All right. So you can create an online course and you sell it to those people because they can't afford it right now, but they can afford your online course. And this is one way that you can still capture that customer. Number two, there will always be a set of people who don't live in your city. And because they don't live in your city, they just can't use you. Let's say you're a makeup artist, or you're a caterer, or you're a photographer, and you live in Lagos. That's where you live. If somebody in Kano wants to take your service or wants to learn from you, some might be able to travel, but a lot of people can't. A lot of people can't come here, and sometimes you may not even be able to travel up and down to different cities, going to places where people need you. And so that's why if you create an online course, you won't have to travel anywhere. You have a product that you can sell to people irrespective of where they live. See where I'm smiling, because this thing that I'm explaining to you, like, it's a game changer. If you catch it, it's a game changer. Number three challenge that service-based entrepreneurs face is that they don't have time. Like, if you're good at what you do, if you're good and you have results, look, it's only a matter of time you're going to get booked out. So every Saturday, back to back, you'll be booked. Sometimes every week, back to back to back, you'll be booked. And while that is a great thing, everybody prays to be booked out, the challenge is that there's a limit to how much money you can make, because you have used up all the Saturdays, you have used up all the weekdays, and that's just how much you can earn. Now, if you have a different type of product that does not depend on weekdays, does not depend on weekends, does not depend on physical time, that one product, hundreds and thousands of people can pay for that one product. What do you think will happen? Your business will just, it will just scale up, shoot up. You will see your revenue grow so much. And the beautiful thing about online courses is that once you do it, it's done. So you're not doing trainings all over again where you have to be physically present. That time you don't have to be coming for physical trainings, training. You have done it once, it's online. You give people a username and a password, they log in and they watch their courses and they will get results from it. Now, the other thing online course also does for you is that when you start teaching, you position yourself as an expert. And so when you're promoting your course or promoting your topic, what will happen is that people think of your topic and they think of you, because you've been talking about your online course, you've been talking about your product. And what you find is that, number one, you've positioned yourself as an expert, you will become the influencer in your niche. You'd actually get a lot more jobs, because there are people who will come to you and say, oh, I saw that you're promoting an online course on this particular topic. I don't want an online course, I want the service. Do you actually have that service? So do you see? So it's a win-win-win situation. You're building your personal brand. You're building yourself as an influencer. You're building yourself as a go-to expert. You're increasing your income. You are diversifying your products. You have more products that people can buy. And then you're also marketing and getting more clients for your service-based business. So it's a win-win-win all around. So whatever service it is that you do, whether you're a baker, you're a caterer, you do cocktails, you're a gardener, you're a photographer, you're a makeup artist, you're like whatsoever you're doing, I'm telling you, you can have an arm of your business that trains. And instead of doing it physically all the time, organizing live workshops or live masterclasses, you can also have an online course. Because once an online course is done, it's done forever, and you can attract clients from all over the world. If the world is too big for you, your country, there are different cities. So all the cities in your country, you can attract customers for that your online course. Let me tell you something. You will see your business blow up right before your eyes. If you're thinking about launching an online course and you're like, oh, Stephanie, I don't even know where to start from. This looks like a great idea. I don't know where to start from. Just look below this video. I have a resource for you. Put your name and email address and I will send the free resource to your inbox. Look out for a mail from me. My name is Stephanie Obi. If you're watching this video and you would like to get more of this kind of content, please follow my page. This is all I talk about. I launched my first online course in 2013. I went online course crazy and I've been launching online courses ever since then because that's so amazing. That's so amazing. I can't even believe it. But that's the amazing thing about living in the internet-driven world, like, and where everybody has a smartphone, everybody has data, people are now consuming content, we're spending a lot of time on Instagram. All those things have business opportunities that you can take advantage of. All right, so follow me. I share a lot of resources, and if you know anybody who needs this content, share the link with them, tag them in the comment section. You know, they'll thank you for it. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again